Welcome back, YouTube. Alright, this is a Detroit 60 series 14 liter. If you ever have problems misfiring and you change the injectors and you can't seem to figure it out, no, here might be one of your problems here. Injector harness I had to just replaced it. Injector harness, because I changed all the injectors and 3 injectors. This cylinder here had a the wire was inside broken, crimped. So this one I put the zip ties because this keeps wiggling, so every time I hit a pothole, I'll hit a pothole, misfire, hit a pothole again, no misfire. These wires, the bushings inside here were worn out, so oil was getting in, so I blew everything with air. To take this pigtail off, there's 2 bolts back here. Wish I could show you, but there's 2 bolts here, one there, and this whole pigtail comes out through that hole. Okay. So if you ever have a misfire, you can't figure it out, and you change injectors, you put injector cleaner in there, you clean the valves, you did all kinds of work like I did. Simple problem, a wire, bad connection. I started it already, and I'll do a start video after. Let me show you the old harness. This is the old harness. It's just worn out, completely worn out. Completely worn out. Completely, and filled with oil. Alright,